This add-on will show you how to animate your characters using costumes and some new looks blocks. A sprite's appearance is called a costume. Changing a sprite's costume changes its look. Each sprite has at least one costume, and some have several. To see if the sprites in your story have multiple costumes, click the Costumes tab, then click each sprite. Now you can only animate sprites that have more than one costume, which means you may need to choose different sprites in order to animate. Or you can add new costumes by clicking Paint New Costume or Add Costume from Library. Use the Switch Costume To block to sequence costumes and change the sprite's appearance during your story. In this example, the penguin changes costumes to look like it's tucking. This is especially useful in this story because it has a lot of dialogue. To program costume changes, use the Change Costumes block from the Looks menu. Here, a penguin starts with the costume Penguin 2 Talk A. Then, before it says goodbye, it switches to Penguin 2 Talk B. Check it out. How you change costumes in your story is completely up to you. Explore different costumes and different ways to program your sprite's costume changes throughout the story. In part 2 of this add-on, you'll learn how to draw and edit costumes to make a completely unique animation. Now it's your turn. First, check each sprite you want to animate to ensure that it has more than one costume. If it doesn't, add costumes using the Choose New Costume from Library button. Second, sequence Change Costume To blocks throughout your story to change your sprite's appearance.